Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin It, and today we're gonna change or replace this pool filter. First thing you gotta do is shut off the pump, I guess. Right?
Yeah.
And then we're gonna, for safety reasons, we're gonna pull on this breaker there. All right.
This is a safety valve. Release the pressure. Some of them have it in other places. Pick it up like this, turn around. You can hear it. The gauge is on 0. That means it's no pressure in here.
All right, so next we're gonna take off the top.
This one has 2 clips. Press it up,
So you push your clips on either side.
release, and turn. You're turning.
Oh, so you just unscrew it.
Okay, ahead.
All right, now you twist this top off. There you go.
Yeah, that's it.
There's the filter. I think that's pretty filthy. Oh, what's this? Another filter? This just pops off.
A little filter pops off. Wash it out. There you go.
So, man, this is some filter. Jeez.
Yeah. That's it. You see all the slime down there. You gotta clean that out.
Oh, I see.
It comes right out.
Let me see. So it comes up.
Bring it
Just
up.
slide it from the top. Okay.
So make sure you wash all this out. And it's ready to be replaced.
Okay.
I
How much is this filter here, you know?
have no idea.
This looks expensive.
This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wash it out a little bit of it. Let me wash out. Look at this dirt. Here. Okay.
Yeah.
If you decide to wash it,
To wash it from there.
just put the holes in it.
That's doing a good job with getting rid of that. That's cheap.
Just a little bit. Bring it all out.
Try not to put too much pressure. You don't want to damage the filter.
You don't want to bend the fins.
You definitely don't want to power wash it. All right, guys. This is all full of crap. So just try to clean it up as best you can. Yeah, see, all this stuff comes out of there. You go with. Stuff's coming out the bottom.
It's in the middle, wiggle it, you feel it, and then you turn it, and that's it.
You feel it like seat.
You
And this
see
tells you, you know, supposed to be facing this way. The clean filter looks pretty good. Way better than before. Yeah, there's a top part. It says this side up. So
Slide it in. Okay. Like this.
that's it.
And basically, you're almost done.
Good. Now we gotta put this little filter in.
Okay.
Make sure it's completely seated all the way around. Take this ring, put it over, and you're gonna lock this into one of these. There's one here, one here. There you go. Turn on the pump. There you go. All right, guys. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.